Follow these steps when using a disposable mask. Perform a visual check before each use of the respirator. Check the expiration date on the packaging. Place the mask over your mouth and the straps over your head. Hair or earrings must not interfere with the seal. Position the nose clip on your nose. Adjust the respirator at the sides. Finally, perform the user seal check to ensure that the respirator is well fitted. This must be done before each use. Cover the respirator with your hands, then inhale deeply through your mouth. The respirator, if it fits properly, should collapse slightly towards your face. If you feel a leak on the seal, readjust the respirator and check the seal again. Do not enter a hazardous area if you cannot achieve a proper seal.
FinishingX. Get home safe.